Okay, let's begin with the revision for the chapter number 1. First question is define hardware. What do you mean by hardware? What is hardware? Anybody, you can unmute yourself to
The
give
parts of
answers.
the computer that we can touch and see are called hardware.
Correct. The parts of the computer that we can touch and see, they are called hardware. Everyone, kindly switch on your cameras. Arush, Mayank, Hardik, Jasleen, everyone, Anmol, Drishti, switch on your cameras. Okay, now you can unmute yourself one by one and give answers. Name the 4 categories of hardware devices. What are the various categories for hardware devices?
Input devices, processing
device.
Okay,
output.
Akshita.
Ma'am, input devices, processing devices, output devices, storage devices.
Correct. Input devices, output devices, storage devices, and processing device. Name the various input devices. Rehanika. Name the various input devices. Okay, Anmol. Name the various input devices.
Ma'am, keyboard, mouse,
Correct. Or okay, Drishti.
Keyboard, mouse, joystick, web camera, scanner,
Trackball, light pen.
motherboard,
मदरबोर्ड नहीं, मदरबोर्ड तो सीपीयू के अंदर होता है, दैट इज फॉर प्रोसेसिंग. ओके, मदरबोर्ड नहीं. कीबोर्ड, माउस, स्कैनर, लाइट पेन, वेब कैमरा, ठीक है, joystick, trackball, or these are the input devices, the devices which are used to give input to the computer, which are used to enter data into the computer. They are called input devices. Okay, okay, Jalash, name the various output devices.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the various output devices.
Ma'am, monitor, printer, plotter, speakers, headphones.
Correct. Very good. Monitor, printer, projector, plotter, headphones, speakers. All these are the various output devices, the devices which are used to give output of the computer, from which we can get the output, whether in the form of a digital copy, whether we get the output in the form of hard copy on a paper, or whether we get the output in the form of a sound by using the speakers and headphones. Okay. Okay, Jasleen, which is the processing device?
CPU,
CPU. CPU is the processing device. Name the 3 parts of CPU.
control unit, memory unit, arithmetic and logic unit.
Correct. Memory unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and control unit. All these are the 3 input devices of, 3 parts of the CPU. Okay, name the 2 categories of storage devices. Yes, Akshita? Name the 2 categories of storage devices.
Yes, ma'am. DVD, CD, pen
2
drive,
categories.
hard
I'm
disk.
asking about 2 categories of computer memory. 2 categories of computer memory.
Ma'am, secondary memory, primary memory.
Correct. Secondary memory and primary memory. 2 categories of computer memory, secondary memory and primary memory. And 2 types of primary memory,
Ma'am, RAM and ROM.
RAM and ROM. Correct. Okay. Next one, Herman. Name the various secondary storage devices. Name the various secondary storage devices. Okay. Next, Arshia, name the various secondary storage devices.
Hard disk, compact disk, digital versatile disk.
Okay, CD, DVD, hard disk, उसके अलावा
Pen drive,
pen drive, correct. And एक और, which device you use in your, which storage device you use in your mobiles?
Memory card.
Memory card, correct. So various secondary storage devices are hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, memory card, or you can say memory stick, or previously we were using floppy disk, and one more is Blu-ray disc. Okay, all these are the various secondary storage devices. कौन सी हो गई? Hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, memory card, floppy disk, and Blu-ray disc. Okay. Define software. What do you mean by software? Yes. Sanchit, Arush, Vaibhav, anyone? What do you mean by software?
A
Okay, Janvi,
Yes, ma'am.
what do
A
you mean by?
software is a collection of computer programs that provide instructions to computer to perform the specific task.
Correct. It is
There
a
are
okay.
three types of.
Just a minute, Janvi. Software means it is a set of programs that directs the computer what to do and how to do, that gives the instructions to computer to do the various tasks. There are three categories of software. What are those?
Utility software, application software, system software.
Correct. System software, utility softwares, and application softwares. Correct. So, give system software, that is a software that is required for the working of the computer, without which a computer will not work. That is a that control the various parts and the various input and output devices, that controls the various flow of data in the inside and outside the computer, and that will help the other softwares to work. That will that will distribute your storage capacity or processing capacity to all the various other programs, to the application programs. So one of the system software is operating system. Operating system that will act as an interface between the user and the computer, that will make the computer, that will make the hardware work for the user. Whatever instructions user want to give, that they are interpreted by the operating system, and then execution is done, and the output is given by the help of various devices, and those devices are directed by using the operating system. So various examples of operating systems are available. Who can give me the examples? Any 5 examples of operating systems? Yes, Jalash?
Yes, ma'am.
5 examples of operating system?
Linux, Unix, DOS, iOS, Android, Windows.
Correct. Windows operating system, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Linux, Unix, DOS, and BOS also, BOSS. Okay, all these are the various operating systems. Any 5 utilities? Any
ma'am,
5?
can I tell?
Okay, Drishti, bolo.
Backup utility, antivirus, disk compression, disk
Correct.
management, file managers, network utilities.
Correct. File managers, network utility, disk compression, disk management, or antivirus, all these are the utility programs. Utility programs are those programs which assist the operating system to work smoothly, to which makes do the some housekeeping task of the computer, and which makes the some gives the smooth working for the computer, like antivirus to protect our computer from the virus, so that our computer can work properly. Disk management, yeah, file management, that will help the computer to manage the various files, to store the various files at the different locations in the hard disk, and that will also help us to organize the files in various folders, to rename the file, to copy the file, so that our operating system can work properly. Name the 2 types of application softwares. Application softwares means those softwares which are designed for a particular task. Like we want to listen to the music. So we will pick a software that will cater to that need. That means the software that will fulfill that need of listening to the music. We will need that particular kind of software. If we want to do some calculation, we will go for that. We will find the software that will do only that task for doing the calculation. those softwares are not necessary for the working of computer, but they are used for the various tasks according to the user requirement. जिसको जिस तरह की जरूरत है वैसा सॉफ्टवेयर यूज कर सकते हैं. Application softwares are designed for a particular task, for doing a particular thing. Okay, so there are two categories of application softwares available. Yes, Angad, what are the two types of application softwares?
Packages, customized software.
I had made the correction instead of packages. जब हमने चैप्टर किया था मैंने करेक्शन कराई थी. पैकेजेस की जगह आपको क्या लिखना है? आपने करेक्शन नहीं करी है इसका मतलब. Anybody else?
General purpose application software.
General purpose application software. Now make the correction, Angad, and everybody जिसने भी अभी तक corrections नहीं करी हैं, instead of packages write general purpose application softwares and customized application software. General purpose application software means the softwares which can be used by anyone who require it. जिसको जरूरत है वो वैसा सॉफ्टवेयर नेट से इंटरनेट से या डाउनलोड करके या बाय करके यूज कर सकता है. लाइक वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, like entertainment software, like music softwares. Anybody can use it who wants to listen to the music. Customized software, on the other hand, are used developed according to the requirements of a particular organization, of requirements of a particular person. According to the requirements of a person, according to the requirements of an organization, so they can be used only by that organization and that person. Like they are also called tailor-made softwares. Tailor-made softwares means the software which are customized according to the requirement of the user. So two types of application software: general purpose application software and customized application software. Now, any four categories of general purpose application software? Manraj Peer Singh.
Ma'am, word processing software, electronic spreadsheets, presentation graphic software, database management system.
Okay, correct. These four are given in your book. Can you name anything else? Word processing software हो गया, spreadsheet हो गया, presentation softwares and deep database management software. Word processing softwares means the softwares which are required for making the documents for typing purpose. Spreadsheet softwares means in which we can arrange our data in the form of rows and columns, and we can also do the calculations. Presentation softwares for creating the presentation that can be used in the schools, that can be used in the offices for doing the meetings. Database management softwares mean the softwares which are required for managing the data, for creating the database, a large amount of data in an organized manner. इसके अलावा कोई और एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, जनरल पर्पस एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर की एग्जांपल या कैटेगरी बता सकता है कोई? Yes, anyone? Okay. Daily you are dealing with the graphics, you are dealing with the photographs in your mobile. The softwares which are used for editing the photographs, they are called graphic software, or the softwares which are used for creating the graphics, for creating new designs, for creating logos for the companies. They are called graphic software. Graphic softwares are there, like you can have Photoshop, you can have Illustrator, and many other softwares, Corel Draw. All these are the graphic software. Similarly, you can have the desktop publishing softwares, DTP softwares, the softwares which are required in the field of publishing, in the publishing of newspapers, in the publishing of magazines, in the publishing of pamphlets, in the publishing of books. So softwares which are required for the publishing, in the publishing field, they are called publishing softwares, like DTP softwares are there. So there are many categories of application softwares which can be used. The softwares which are used by the architects, CAD software is there, or the softwares which can be used by the accountants for the accounting purpose. So Tally is an accounting software. So many categories of application softwares are available according to the field, according to the requirement of the user. So general purpose application softwares, the softwares which can be used by anyone for their purpose. Okay. Okay. Next is any three examples of customized softwares, the software which are customized only for that particular organization. They can be used,
Ma'am,
they cannot be used at home or offices. They can be used by particular departments or organizations. Yes?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Drishti, bolo.
Airline reservation system, ticket reservation system,
Airline
payroll.
reservation system and ticket reservation can be for airline, ticket reservation can be for railway. Okay? Anything else? Library management. Library management
Payroll.
system. And third one,
Payroll system,
payroll system to keep the record, to keep the payroll of employees in an organization. Okay. Okay. Anything else? Okay. Payroll system, library management system. Then you have the airline reservation system or railway reservation system. They are the softwares which are used only for customize. They are the customized software. They can be used only for those organizations. Okay, now I have
ma'am.
yes,
System, bell
Ma'am.
system.
bell management system जो आपका स्कूल में use होता है. Correct. Okay. Now I had given a few. Yes, Kalash?
Ma'am, presentation graphic software में क्या फर्क है?
But a presentation software में you can create only presentations to present your ideas and to present the facts and figures to a large number of audience. ठीक है, जहाँ पे आप स्लाइड्स बनाते हो, स्लाइड्स में आप अपना डाटा प्रेजेंट करते हो. दे आर यूज्ड फॉर प्रेजेंटिंग योर आइडियाज एंड योर डाटा. ठीक है. Then graphic software in which you can create new graphics. You can make the designs. You can create the logos of a company. You can create the new fonts. You can create the new posters. You make drawings. Okay, they are the graphic software in which you can create the new graphics. Okay, presentation softwares in which you can create the slides to present your ideas and your data, your information to a large number of audience. Okay,
Ma'am, I have 3 doubts.
okay, you can ask one by one.
Ma'am, first is define the term packages. Ma'am, how we can define the term packages?
I had already told you that packages you have to replace the word with the general purpose application software. There are two types of application software. One is general purpose and second is application customized softwares. Packages package is a collection of various software like MS Office. MS Office is a package. General purpose hai, but MS Office is a package because when we install MS Office, we get a number of softwares like MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Outlook Express. It is a package. It is a bundle of various softwares that is called a package. Like OpenOffice. OpenOffice is a package. When we install OpenOffice, we get the various things like we get the writer, we get Calci, we get the Impress, we get Base. Similarly, WPS. WPS is a package in which we get the various WPS can handle various types of files. It has the converters also. So
Yes.
packages means in which there is a bundle of softwares. Okay. So
Yes,
that is why I told you कि general purpose packages को replace करो word अपने books में. That is a that is a categories of application software में you will write general purpose application softwares and customized softwares. Okay. Now you have to categorize these softwares which I had given. A list is given of the softwares. You have to categorize these softwares under the various categories like system software, utilities, and application software. Can you do that one by one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You will unmute one by one. Guneet, first one is for you. So Windows 8.
System.
Your name is Guneet?
System software.
System software, correct. So Windows 8 is a system software. Word processing software. Yes, Lakshay? Word processing software.
Application software.
Application software, correct. Word processing. Okay. Next is your Android.
System software.
System software.
Correct. System software. And Lakshay, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Anji, next one, Janvi,
Utilities.
antivirus, utility. Okay,
Utilities.
backup.
Utilities.
Again, backup is a utility. Backup utility is a utility program, utility software. Okay, next one is presentation software,
Application software.
Application software.
application.
Application software.
Okay, presentation software is an application software. Linux,
System software.
system software because it is an operating system. Linux, spreadsheet,
Application software.
Application software.
spreadsheet, application software,
Application software.
Application
file managers,
Utility software.
utility software. Correct. File managers, utility software. Okay, data compression,
Utility
again utility. Okay, next one is DOS,
System software.
System software.
system software. Correct.
System software.
Database management,
Application software.
Application software.
database
Application software.
management system. Okay, that is an application software. Correct.
Utility software.
Okay,
Utility
next
software.
is network utility,
Utility software.
utility software. Correct. Disk management,
Utility software. Utility software.
correct. Is it okay? Clear to all of you? Various categories of software. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is, what do you mean by number system? What is number system?
Ma'am, it is a way to represent number.
Correct. It is a way to represent numbers. It is a way to represent numbers. How we can represent the numbers? What do you mean by the base of a number system? Tanya, Shreya, Hargun, Nandini, Harman. Why all of you are not giving answer or not raising even hands? Prabnur, what do you mean by the base of a number system?
Ma'am, the numbers which are in that
A
number
base
system.
of a number system is the number of digits used in it.
Base is a number of digits used in a number system. जितने digits उस
Ma'am,
number
I have
system
a
में
doubt.
use हो रहे हैं, that is called the base of that number system. Okay, what do you mean by multitasking?
Multitasking means the ability of the computer to run two or more applications at the same time.
Okay, multitasking means when the app is the ability of the software, ability of the computer to run more than one task at a time. At the same time, when we are doing more than one task, that is called multitasking. Okay. Okay,
Ma'am,
Guneet.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Lakshay.
Ma'am, explain any 4 types of built-in functions in MS Excel.
Explain any
4 types of built-in functions in MS Excel.
4 types of built-in functions. Beta, sum function, max function, min function, average function. Built-in functions, we had already used those functions.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Guneet, name the 4 types of number systems.
Hexadecimal number system, octary number system, decimal number system, binary number system.
Okay, correct. Hexadecimal, decimal, binary, and octal. 4 types of number systems are available. Name the things on which the value of each digit depends. 3 things on which the value of the digit depends in any number system.
Face value, place value,
Face value,
Base.
place value, and
Base of the number.
base of the number system. Face value, place value, and base of the number system.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
मैम जो कंटेंटेशन में मैम जो वैल्यू यूज होती है वो सिंबल यूज होता है, कौन सा सिंबल होता है
कहाँ पे?
मैम concatenation.
कंकैटिनेशन में एम्परसेंड सिंबल, एम्परसेंड एंड का जो सिंबल होता है दैट इज यूज। 7 के ऊपर है आपके कीबोर्ड में, 7 के ऊपर दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, एम्परसेंड सिंबल।
More doubt.
हाँ जी,
Ma'am, I have one more doubt.
ओके, आस्क इट।
Write the difference between relative cell and reference cell and absolute cell reference.
क्या? राइट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन
Relative cell reference and absolute cell reference.
in relative cell reference, your cell, when you copy the formula from one cell to another, the cell address automatically changes. ठीक है? But in absolute cell references, when you copy the formula, the cell reference doesn't change. Cell reference will remain the same. Okay? Cell reference will not change. Okay, I will show you this practically tomorrow. Now, presently concentrate on this chapter. Complete this table. Decimal number system. What is the base of decimal number system?
10.
10. Why it is 10?
0 to 9.
Because it uses 10 digits, 0 to 9. Okay? Okay. What is the base of binary number system?
2.
2. Okay. And digits used are?
0 and 1.
0 and 1. 2 digits are used only in it. That is why its base is 2. Octal number system?
8.
8. And digits used?
0 to 7.
0 to 7. Okay, hexadecimal number system?
16.
16.
16.
And digits used?
0 to
15.
0 to 15 नहीं है बेटा, 0 to 9.
A to F.
Then capital A to capital F. 0 to 15 नहीं आएगा. It is 0 to 9, then capital A to capital F. 10 is represented by A, B represent 11, C represent 12. Continuously up to F. F represent 15. ठीक है, 15 लिखना नहीं है. 15 जब भी लिखना है hexadecimal number system में, that is written with the help of F. That is symbolized with the help of F. Okay. So now base of decimal number system 10, binary number system 2, octal number system 8, and hexadecimal number system base is 16. Yes. Okay, now come to the full forms. What is the full form of ALU?
Arithmetic logic.
Arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit. MU?
Memory unit.
Memory unit. Okay, Prabhnur, what is the full form of CU?
Control unit.
Prabhnur, unmute yourself so that you can give answer. Control unit. RAM, RAM, RAM.
Random access memory.
Random access memory. Okay, ROM, Hargun. Read only memory. CD,
Compact disc.
compact disc. DVD,
Digital
digital versatile disc. Okay, Hardik Bhutani, Rudrapal, kindly unmute yourself above. What is the full form of DBMS?
Database management.
Management software.
Database management system. Okay. EOS, DOS,
Disk operating system.
disk operating system. Okay. Okay, give one word quickly. Computer follows this cycle. IPO. Computer follows this cycle. IPO. Data entered in computers is called
Input.
input. Okay. Manipulation of data is called
Processing.
processing. Manipulation of data is called processing.
Processing.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Processed
the
data is called
Output.
output.
Out.
बोल दो
Yes, Lakshay.
मैम डॉस की फुल फॉर्म दोबारा से बोल दो
Disk operating system.
ओके मैम
Okay. Next is this part of CPU performs arithmetic and
Arithmetic and
logical
logical.
operations.
ALU.
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 Okay. It acts as an interface between user and the hardware.
Operating system.
Operating system. Correct. One example of single user operating system. Operating system that is single user. DOS. Okay. This software improves the operations of an operating system.
Utility software.
Utility software, or you can say utilities. Windows utilities are also available in
System tool.
system tools in
Accessories.
accessories. Start button, all programs, accessories के अंदर system tools. Okay.
मैम एक बार वो
Who gave the concept of zero?
Aryabhatta.
Okay. Okay, your time is getting over. आपका time over हो गया बेटा class का. Software that is made as per the requirements of the organization.
Customized software.
Customized software. Correct. And the last one is other name of the customized software.
Specific purpose.
Tailor-made software.
Tailor-made softwares. Correct.
सेल रेफरेंस
Tailor-made.
रिलेटिव और एब्सोल्यूट दोबारा से
Specific
बता
purpose software.
लक्ष्य क्या बताना दोबारा?
मैम रिलेटिव सेल रेफरेंस और एब्सोल्यूट सेल रेफरेंस का
Okay,
डिफरेंस
that I will explain to you tomorrow by practically showing it to you. Okay. Now please
Ma'am.
join next class.
मैम
Yes.
स्पेसिफिक सॉफ्टवेयर कस्टमर सॉफ्टवेयर का नाम है स्पेसिफिक पर्पस सॉफ्टवेयर है.
तो स्पेसिफिक पर्पस सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं आएगा बेटा. कस्टमाइज सॉफ्टवेयर इधर या आपके पास आएगा टेलर मेड सॉफ्टवेयर या एक और नेम होता है पीस्कोप. हाँ जी.
Special purpose software.
स्पेशल पर्पस सॉफ्टवेयर.
मैम ये ट्रू और फॉल्स में क्या लगेगा? यू कैन इंसर्ट फंक्शन इन सेल यूजिंग अ फॉर्मूलाज टैब.
You can insert function by using the formula tab.
यस मैम.
करेक्ट है. फॉर्मूला टैब में फंक्शंस होते हैं बेटा.
ओके मैम. थैंक यू मैम.